Good morning, students. In the historical perspective of a chapter, we are going to see with the eyes of the Vedic wisdom, which has told the untold truths of the universe, which even the scientists and the scholars recommend and refer to discover the highest scientific secrets of the cosmos. Now, let's hear how the scientists are glorifying the scriptures and how the ancient Indian Vedic texts are revealing the highest scientific facts and truths and the secrets of the science with the help of the very famous statement by the Fritjof, who is an American Austrian physicist and the author of the best-selling book that is the Tao of Physics. He is fully convinced that in the Vedic text of ancient India lay the key to understand the science of quantum physics and the beyond. Even the Alan Watts says to the philosophers of India, however, relativity is no new discovery. Just as the concept of light years is no matter for an astonishment to people used to thinking of time in millions of kalpas. So we can understand the relativity theory has been proposed by the Einstein, but it was not unknown to the philosophers of India, and even the light years is being calculated in the kalpas. There is a 43 lakh 20,000 years. Even the Jean Sylvain Bailly, the scientist, is saying the movement of stars, which was calculated by Hindus 4,500 years ago, does not differ even by a minute from the tables which we are using today. See, even the Aryabhatta has told us the sidereal rotation there is a 23 hours 56 minutes 4.1 second. So we can easily understand how this Bailey is saying that the movement of stars, which was calculated by 4,500 years ago, does not differ even a minute from the tables which we are using today. So that was approximation and calculation of ancient Indian astrologers. And he concludes the Hindu systems of astronomy are much more ancient than those of the Egyptians. Even the Jews derive from the Hindus their knowledge. There are one more famous statements like Neil Bohr and the S. Ramanujan and even the Robert Oppenheimer, the father of the atomic bomb, is saying the access to the Vedas is the greatest privilege this century may claim over all previous centuries. So this is our privilege. We have been available with the ancient Vedic wisdom. The S. Ramanujan is saying an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses the thought of God. And even the Neil Bohr asks questions from the Upanishads. How I'm saying these things and how the scientists are recommending us to read the scriptures, because there are various contributions in astronomy by various philosophers, astronomers and scientists. Like Aryabhatta was the first to explain spherical shape, size, diameter, rotation and the correct speed of Earth in 499 AD. He told us the sidereal rotation is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.1 second, and even he told the rotation takes place approximately to 158,223,7,500 times, and the Earth rotates around its own axis from west to east. Even the Bhaskaracharya calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Mart, and it is the time taken which the Earth to orbit the Sun is 365.2564 days, which is approximately near which has been calculated today. And in Siddhant Shiromani, the Bhaskaracharya is second described about gravity of Earth about 400 years before the Sir Isaac Newton. And the Surya Siddhant, the textbook on astronomy of the ancient India, contains data about diameter of Earth, that is the 7,840 miles to 7,926 miles, and the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 2,53,000 miles to 2,52,710 miles, which are very close to the modern measurements. So from this we can easily conclude, from the various proposals of the various scientists, we can easily conclude that the Vedic texts provide profound knowledge about mathematics, astronomy, astrology, medical science, and the information given in the Vedas, when later on discovered by the scientists, are matching with an unimaginable accuracy. So we can't underestimate our ancient Indian scriptures, and we should refer and we should be honored with our wisdom, our heritage. So in this way, students, I think I was able to present in front of you the historical perspective of this particular chapter, gravitation. And with the help of various statements from various scientists, we are now in a position to understand how we can understand our scriptures and how we should honor and respect the scriptures. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.